In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and sync multiple Google Drive accounts to your PC using a brand new feature that makes managing your online files smoother and more efficient. Whether you're handling multiple personal accounts or juggling between work and personal digital spaces, having them all accessible in one place can save a lot of time and make your workflow more organized. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Google Drive homepage using your preferred web browser. Once there, ensure you're logged into the account you use most often, as this will serve as your primary account. Having a primary account set up first helps in keeping everything organized and makes switching between accounts seamless. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or, if you haven't uploaded one, your initials. Click on this image and a drop-down menu will appear. One of the options will be Add another account. This is your key to managing multiple Google Drive accounts efficiently. Clicking on it will open a new menu where you can select Use another account. Here, you can input the credentials of your additional Google account. Make sure to have your email address and password ready. Google will prompt you for the password to verify your identity, which is an important security step. Once logged in, your new account will be added automatically to your current session. Now you can switch between your accounts easily by clicking on your profile picture. You'll see all your added accounts listed, allowing you to toggle between them without the need to log out and back in repeatedly. This makes managing files across multiple accounts quick and stress-free. Additionally, if you're using the Google Drive app on your PC, syncing multiple accounts ensures that all your files remain updated across devices. You can upload, download, or share files from any of the accounts without leaving your desktop interface. This setup is perfect for anyone who works with a large volume of files daily and wants to keep everything organized in one place. Remember, once all your accounts are connected, you can even drag and drop files between them, making collaboration and file management faster than ever. This feature also supports real-time syncing, so changes made in one account are instantly reflected across all synced accounts. By setting up multiple accounts this way, you eliminate the hassle of constantly signing in and out, giving you more time to focus on important tasks and projects. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've unlocked the convenience of managing multiple Google Drive accounts directly from your PC. Enjoy the newfound efficiency in your digital workspace and take advantage of this feature to keep your personal and work files organized, accessible, and secure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.